I'm in the new BMW M5. Next to me is the Mercedes-AMG E63. Now we're going to do a rolling race, we're going to do a brake test, but first we're going to have a drag race. However, before we do that, click on our logo to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're updated when we make a new upload. Also, which of these two cars do you think is going to win? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote. Right, you done that? Let's get it on.
3, 2, 1.
Good start. That Mercedes is caught up quickly. Here we go. This is game on and it's very close. I'll get a better start than that Mercedes, but I think it's just going to take this. Oh, I got a better start, but then the Mercedes somehow took it. Sorry, BMW fanboys, I let you down. I let you down. I know what I want to do. Let's say best 2 out of 3. Okay, so I just realised that I had this car's four-wheel drive system set into M Sport, which is more rear drive bias, so I think that impeded me. I've now put it into normal four-wheel drive mode and we'll see what happens.
3, 2, 1.
Neck and neck start. Oh, that Mercedes is just quicker. It just is. That's it. It's pretty conclusive. 2 runs, Mercedes won both times. Oh well, there's your answer. Now, did he get it right?
Well, in the second race, the £87,000 Mercedes got a much better start than before. As a result, it did the standing quarter in just 11.2 seconds. But while the £89,000 BMW got off the line just as well, it took 11.4 seconds to do the quarter mile. Now this is actually 0.3 of a second slower than when I previously timed the new M5 on its international launch.
Oh my God, this is fast!
Though that was on a grippier racetrack surface. In identical conditions, the Merc is clearly a touch quicker.
Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full ABS braking. Here we are. Oh, look at that. So close. That is so close. I'm just going to check. It looks to me like the Mercedes won that. Interestingly, this car is on optional carbon ceramic brakes. They're £7,500 extra, but they haven't helped it in this instance. Though I do think carbon ceramic brakes are more beneficial when doing lots and lots of laps of a track, because they don't get so hot so quickly as normal brakes. But in this simple brake test, Mercedes won.
However, when we looked at the footage, it appeared the Merc braked a little too early. So, do you think this meant the BMW actually won the brake test? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Both cars are in comfort mode, like you're cruising on the motorway. I'm going to count it in and floor the throttle, see what happens if you're challenged. Okay then. 3. Oh, I think mine kicked down a bit quicker. And it's neck and neck, this. I think this BMW, I don't know. It's, yeah, there's nothing in that. Maybe, just maybe, the Mercedes was edging by a few millimeters. I definitely wasn't catching it. Oh, that was seriously close.
The Mercedes had the advantage because its 612 horsepower 4-litre twin-turbo V8 has 850 Nm of torque. whereas the BMW's 600 horsepower 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 has 750 newton meters, and both cars weigh close to 1.9 tonnes. Still, the M5 managed to do 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. Now the E63S took just 3.2 seconds. So then, Mercedes is the winner overall, though the margins are tiny. But remember, it's the older car and was the first of the two to introduce an all-wheel drive system which has a rear drive only mode. And for that, Mercedes, we all salute you. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it. Click on our logo below to subscribe to this channel, on the window to watch another video, or on the choose and buy box to the right to go to carwow.com to see how much you can save on a new car.